Ready to turn your side hustle into a serious stream of income, but dread the financial mess? We all know the drill. You start a freelance gig, an online store, or a service business, and suddenly your personal bank account looks like a blender full of receipts. It's confusing, it's messy, and it makes tax season a nightmare. That's where Tide comes in. It's not just a business account, it's a financial platform specifically designed to save you time and money, making it perfect for solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners. So, how can you actually use Tide to clean up your finances and help your small venture grow? First, separation is salvation. The golden rule of running a business, even a side hustle, is keeping business money separate from personal money. Tide makes this incredibly easy with its free business account. Quick setup, a dedicated sort code and account number, and boom, you've instantly created a clean line between your personal spending and your business income. This alone saves you hours of sifting through transactions. Second, smarter spending and expense management. Every small business has expenses. You've got software subscriptions, materials, or maybe a coffee to meet a client. With Tide, you can instantly tag or categorize every transaction right in the app. Better yet, you can snap a photo of a physical receipt and upload it. Tide links that receipt to the transaction, meaning no more shoeboxes full of faded paper. This automatic categorization is a lifesaver for bookkeeping and understanding where your money is actually going. Third, invoicing made simple. Getting paid is the best part, but chasing invoices is the worst. Tide's built-in invoicing tool lets you create and send professional, branded invoices directly from the app. You can even generate a payment link or a QR code so clients can pay you faster. It keeps a record of what's outstanding, helping you improve your cash flow without needing separate software. Finally, accounting and tax support. When it's time for self-assessment or working with an accountant, Tide makes it painless. You can instantly generate profit and loss reports, and crucially, Tide integrates directly with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. This means your accountant can access clean, categorized data, saving you money on their fees and helping you file your tax return accurately and on time. If you're serious about turning that side project into a thriving business, you need the right tools. Tide takes the stress out of business finance, giving you back the most valuable thing you have, time to focus on doing what you love. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.